So what I'm going to ask you to do now is to everybody get a writing tool and some Post-it notes, because you're going to go and visit the different posters and try and leave some comments of if there's something that you see that you didn't think of before, or if it's an idea that you discovered as well, to make that comment, or a question that you have about the posters that you see. So don't all go to the same one, because then we'll be crowded, but there should be enough space between them so that some people can go to the one by the door. So make sure you write down your last comment or question, and then I'm going to ask the people who created the poster to go back to the poster that they made and see the comments or questions that people left for them. So once you've read all the comments from your poster, I'm imagining there'll be a little bit of conversation between you, and then please come and sit down at your tables.
It's the relationship to each other. We made things out of the blocks.
That's right. Yeah.
So they have relationships to each other in terms of...
Okay, well, let's come back together.
Right. It really urges the students to think critically about the blocks and see them for more than just like the piece of wood. So I could see that applying by doing that activity when they the takeaway back into, like, if they're at the block center in their building, it will push them to think of something in a different way. They'll turn it on its side, they'll stand it up, they'll lean it on something. They're going to start to use those connections in their building, whereas I think without maybe having that experience, they might sort of go, oh, I don't have a piece that fits. Whereas,
Oh, so you're, by the way, I should clarify, this is not an activity that I would do with children.
yeah. But I think by allowing them
They
and having
should
those
discover
conversations
them,
with
and they
them
will
as they're
discover
doing
them
that.
by building them. But for us as adults, I overheard some of you talking and saying, I didn't know so many of these related to the unit. I had never thought about this before. Did anybody have any moment like that this afternoon?
You have to obviously go to another level of thought in order to see another combination.
Right.
It's not, you look at the cylinders and say, gee, this is so unlike the unit, and yet there is a relationship.
Right.